Welcome back to the channel where we teach tomorrow's tech completely for free. Today, diving into a game changer, how AI is completely redefining network engineering in 2025. Whether you're a student, a pro, or just love tech, this free guide will put you light years ahead. First up, AI-driven network automation. Imagine never having to manually handle tedious configurations, updates, or troubleshooting again. AI scripts and intent-based networking are making this a reality. They learn your network's goals and automatically execute the steps to get there. The best part? There are free resources online right now that can teach you the basics of automation today. Next, let's talk about predictive maintenance and self-healing networks. Instead of reacting to problems, AI predicts network failures before they even happen. It analyzes data patterns to spot warning signs, allowing for proactive repairs. Some advanced systems can even self-correct issues without any human intervention, ensuring near-perfect uptime. You can even start experimenting with predictive analytics on free platforms, but what about performance? That's where intelligent traffic optimization comes in. AI is like a super smart traffic cop for your data. It analyzes network flow in real time, dynamically rerouting data to avoid congestion and bottlenecks. This means faster, more reliable connections for everyone. We'll even show you a quick demo using some powerful open source AI tools. Of course, we can't ignore security. AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity by detecting threats faster than any human ever could. Instead of relying on old school rule-based systems, AI uses behavioral analysis to spot anomalies and zero-day attacks in real time. And yes, there are free AI security tools you can download and test right now to see this in action. Looking to the future, AI is the backbone of 5G, 6G, and the Internet of Things. Managing billions of connected devices and massive data streams would be impossible without it. AI handles smart device coordination, resource allocation, and ensures these next-gen networks run smoothly. You can even simulate these incredible AI-driven networks for free. So, what skills do you actually need for 2025? It's all about upskilling. You don't need an expensive degree to stay relevant. Focus on learning key AI concepts through free online courses and hands-on labs. Understanding machine learning, data analysis, and automation will make you an indispensable asset in the future of networking. If this free knowledge helped you understand the future of networks, do me a huge favor. Like this video and comment AI down below to let me know what topic we should cover next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. And if you know someone just starting in IT, share this with them. Thanks for watching.